whatever we spend in tradition, I'm really happy to. I'm really happy with you because I spend many of time. It's really enjoy. It's really fun. You are
Yeah.
funny.
Yes,
I
yes.
miss you every moment.
Thank you so much, bro.
Say, here, look. That's
Oh
why I
my
make
God.
Pizza for you.
He's
Huh?
making pizza for me.
Yes, yes. Chicken pizza.
Wow. Look what he make for me. Chicken pizza.
Yeah, option. Chicken pizza. Wait,
Alright.
enjoy. This for Raul. Raul Beda.
Thank you, bro. Hey, Mr. Anthony. Ano masasabi mo
New Year,
sa New Year?
malungkot.
Lungkot, no?
For how many
Duty.
years? 6 years more than. Malungkot, nakakamiss. Minsan na, hindi mo masabi na naluluha ka na lang. Mamiss
Oh,
pamilya ng
oh.
tawag. Homesick minsan.
Oh, my
Kailangan para
goodness.
sa pamilya eh.
What about you, Mr. Mia?
Mr. Gonzalez, enjoy your life and come back again.
Thank you. No, I don't want to come back again, bro. Mr. Elvis. Miss Elvis. I'm sorry. Ano masasabi mo ngayon New Year?
Babay yung jowa ko.
Hey, Wiz. Still waiting to my ticket.
My life is so short. Remember that. And always remember, good things comes when you struggle.
Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, bro.
Yeah, it's gonna be okay.
Alright. Miss Dalia. Anong ano mo? Anong anong isi-shoutout mo ngayong New Year?
Shut up, ha?
Hindi, ano masasabi mo na lang?
Shut up?
Yeah.
Happy New Year. Sa'yo?
Alright. Kahit kanino, sa mga tropa natin, o ano yun.
Happy New Year, guy. Tama na ang plastikan.
And let them know you are a good person.
Thank you, bro. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
You have a good heart.
Thank you so much. Sir. Alright. Memories.
Okay. Let's go.
Yo, Mr. Daniel, what do you do?
Happy New Year, bro. Happy New Year.
What's up, bro? Mr. Shopee Cool. Why? Why you are shy? Ano masasabi mo ngayon, New Year?
Happy New Year.
Last day ko.
Bless.
God bless. Yo, of course, our cashiers. Cashiers. Happy New Year. What do you want to
I
say?
need your friendship in the next year.
Yeah, and Mr. Kashmir. Walaikum salam. Aywa.
Kamusta ka? Mabuti lang.
Mabuti.
Okay lang?
Tala na, kamusta yung pagpapanggap nyo dyan?
Okay naman. Okay naman mapanggap dito.
Anong masasabi nyo ngayong New Year, pare?
Happy New Year.
Ano? Ikaw, Tol.
Ingat ka na lang, palagi.
Thank you, thank you. Hi, ma'am. Yeah. Ano masasabi mo ngayong New Year, ha?
Walang pera.
Walang pera. Yo, Mr. Ibrahim. What do you want to say right now?
What?
What do you want to say in this video, this New Year? Anything else or what? Kalam. May malum? Maricar, ano masasabi mo?
Maraming salamat sa taong 2025. More blessings to come this coming year.
Baka gusto mong shoutout yung boyfriend mo.
Shout out sa iisang
Ano?
love of my life.
Si Grace, busy eh. Grace. Anything else?
Hi guys! Good luck to your new journey.
Alright.
Rock and roll.
Alright.
Kaya nga nag-ano ako, di ba may bigyan ng reservation lang?
Yo, Mr. Sheikh
That's my
Alman. What do
friend,
you...
Mr. Gonzalez. He's a very great guy, very great personality. He's
I
a
know.
very proud mindset. He's from Filipino. My best friend ever from Filipino. Inshallah, if I get chance, I will inshallah meet you there.
Nice.
Inshallah, my
Nice.
bestest friend.
Thank you so much, bro.
Always supporting our team.
Yeah.
We worked together 2 years.
Alright.
I appreciate that. Inshallah, meet you in the future, bro. I
Yeah.
love you so much.